Hello everyone. Welcome to channel Nitrix. Today we will conduct a review of the Retroid Pocke 4 Pro, the transparent version, or called the crystal version, among 3 other different colors. This version that comes with the processor for MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor. This version comes with 8GB RAM and 128 internal space, with the possibility of adding external space. We will open the device box and see the contents included with it. The device comes with a USB Type-C connector and an instruction booklet. It is designed for comfort and ease of use, making long gaming sessions on the 4.7-inch and 60Hz type of IPS. Accurately 1334 by 750 pixels. The Retroid Pocke 4 Pro is to have better performance for GameCube, PS2, 3DS, and Sega Saturn games. With brightness up to 450 lumens, the device is designed with dimensions, and in terms of design and ergonomics, the size of the device appears small in size. As it comes in a width of 18.4 cm and a height of 8.2 cm, it has been designed for comfort and ease of use, making long gaming sessions on the 4.7-inch touchscreen enjoyable. The device weighs 268.2 grams. The Retroid Pocke 4 Pro is to have battery of 5000 mAh battery, providing 6 to 8 hours of battery life, perfect for a smaller retro handheld. The innovative active cooling system with a built-in fan ensures that the device maintains optimal temperature, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Experience precise control with its advanced control system with Hall effect sliders and analog triggers. With multiple connectivity options, including 720p via HDMI and 1080p DisplayPort via USB Type-C. In terms of the design of the device and the locations of the buttons, the device did not differ much from the old version, Retroid Pocke 3 Plus, with only the lower buttons differing in design. The new Retroid Pocke 4 Pro leverages the really incredible Hall joysticks that were featured on the latest from Go Retroid, the Retroid Pocke 2S. These were some of the nicest joysticks on any handheld, so we're glad to see them returning. And we can also see that they have moved the Android Home back buttons and Start Select to the face of the device. That's something that we would class as a must-have feature, and we were not too happy with in the Retroid Pocke 3 Plus design.